Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull channel. And exactly as predicted, Bitcoin broke out of this inverse head and shoulders pattern and is on the way to its our price target at around $112,000, which will mark a new all-time high for Bitcoin. So I assume in the next couple of days it will be there. And what's also very nicely, we are turning this zone here into a support zone. So we can see here we have been facing some resistance, and right now we are just confirming this zone, and probably it's going to turn it into support zone, and from there we can slowly start our next leg up to the 112, and after that even higher to the $120,000. I assume June will be quite bullish for Bitcoin. The probability that the interest rates will go down is very high. I saw some statistics, it's around 99% that they're gonna have rate cuts in June. So quite amazing news for everyone. Maybe the market is also just pricing in these rate cuts right now. That's why the market is very bullish recently. So let's see what will happen. Michael Saylor is constantly buying more, and with that being said, we will probably have a very bullish June, and I think July will be also bullish as well. I think the next 3 to 6 months will be very bullish, and maybe we will even see a new altcoin season coming in. So we need to prepare for that. That's why follow, subscribe, and watch my videos until the end, because I'm giving away so much knowledge for free. You have to think I'm in the space for over 10 years. I have crazy experience in investing in startups. As an angel investor, I've invested in over 50 startups, so I have quite good knowledge. I'm advising projects and consulting projects, so I have huge insider information that I can share with you from somebody who's in the space very deeply. Now let's see here what the next price target. We already talked about it, is the 112k. Right now we're just confirming the support zone. The RSI also has been a little bit overbought, so to say, so we might see a quick retracement to the downside, maybe to 106 or maybe 108 would be actually even better, and then we will go more up. That's what I would like to see, but these are the probabilities right now. I wouldn't open a long trade yet. We have to wait for a nice breakout first. So when I would open a long trade, let's zoom out a little bit and see here, maybe on the daily, what do we have here? What would be the next opportunity for a long trade? I think the 106, that's a good support zone. That's where it's more safe to open a trade with a very tight stop loss. I would put a stop loss at $103,000. For now, I'm already in my trades here. You can see my Bitcoin trade is pumping quite nicely, $7,438,000 in a profits. I might take some profits very soon, so watch my videos to know when. Now my Ethereum trade also pumping well, $15,000 in a profits, over 1000% on this trade, so quite nice. Just from $1,200 I've been able to make $15,000. So the opportunities are there, even if you don't have so much capital, guys. You just have to wait for the right opportunity, and even with $1,000 you can see you can make $10,000-$15,000 out of it very easily. I also already took profits here, $3,000, so almost $18,000 in profits, quite nicely. Now let's see some moves for Ethereum, which is performing also quite well. Yesterday we've been at 2,700, which is quite nicely. And let's also look here on the charts. What are the charts telling us? Let's see here. We can see here we have the $4,000 as a big resistance. That's also our price target right now. So I think we might go for a move to the $4,000 very soon. But before that, we have to break the $3,000. And let's see here, what are the charts telling us? Let's zoom out a little bit. And on the 4-hourly, we can see we are having this triangle here. Let me quickly zoom out a little bit more, maybe make this chart big here, and you can do all of this on the VX platform very easily. You have the trading view with all the indicators that you can use right here. Now 1 second, we have this pattern here. We can see it here. This is a multi-year pattern, so to say, and we can see this pattern is going to have a breakout probably here at around the $3,500. So this right here, it's a symmetrical triangle pattern, and once this one will break to the upside, we can expect a price target of around $8,000, guys. So be prepared for this. We can take this one from here to here. Let's say we will break out around this zone, and we can see the price target for that is at around $7,400. But let's say we will break up a little bit earlier, the price target would move to the 7,500. This will be a very nice price for Ethereum. I think the altcoins will pump like crazy once Ethereum breaks this resistance from this triangle right here. We can see this triangle has been forming here for years, basically since 2021, and right now we are just building pressure in the triangle, and the move to the upside will be massive. So be prepared. Once we will break this zone, I will open an even bigger trade on Ethereum. Let's see, I might take all my profits from this trade and scale it up, because I'm quite bullish right now. If this will happen, I'm actually, even right now, I'm bullish on Ethereum. I think we will go for the $3,000 very, very soon. So let's see what will happen. Right now, I would still wait for the RSI to cool off before opening a long trade. Right now we are in the middle, so it's not good for shorting, not good for longing. Now it's patience time, and patience is one of the most important skills as a crypto investor or trader. Just wait for the opportunity. Don't run after each train. Always wait for the right one. And with that being said, guys, if you want to trade like you see me do, you could have massive opportunities here on the market. Let's see, you can sign up on the VX exchange down in the description, and you can get some crazy bonus. You can see they have crazy rewards here. You can win a Louis Vuitton bag. They have the $1 million trading futures competition here. Then they have also welcome party. You can get some free tokens here, some other free tokens. So you can see VIP accelerator, welcome bonus of up to $30,000 exclusive with my link. So make sure you sign up down below in the description and in the pinned comment. And now let's take a look also at some altcoins. I definitely think Doge, which is also performing well. We can see here Doge 5.6%. We have Filecoin 4%, Uni 13%, which is performing well. Uniswap is the main decentralized exchange for crypto, so they are performing quite well. Then Solana again 5%. Let's see which coins are actually performing the best. For now, Uni was the best one. Then we have here Comp 14%, API 3 10%, Maker 10%. Pepe also 10%. So let's look actually also at meme coins. Let's see if meme coins are maybe performing better. Meme coins, we can see they are performing better than the big 100 tokens, so to say, for now, besides Uniswap. So it might be worth looking in some memes, but don't use too much capital for memes. Always use low capital, like 0.1% of your portfolio, I would say, is to play around. And if you catch some good trade, you can scale it up, take profits, bring your leverage down, and then you don't really care about it. Besides that, let's see, with 16% today. So VIF has been performing quite well. As you remember, if you watch my videos, we were buying VIF when it was 32 cents last year. So quite nice gains for the VIF in the past couple of days. Let's see, it went even to like $1.05. So let's see, maybe opening a trade might be not so bad at this moment. And with that being said, thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye bye.